Okay, so today we're working on the 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. What we need to do is we need to change the seal that goes around the bottom of the air dam. That also goes around this mass airflow sensor right here and seals around it. Sometimes that seal breaks and it burns out or wears out, and you need to replace another one because the air starts to come in around the bottom of the mass airflow sensor and makes the car run really bad. So you can see this is the old seal, and the old seal, I don't know if you can see it with the sun, has a crack right along the edge there, and that was causing a lot of the leak through and causing the air to get sucked in and causing the computer to mess up quite a bit. So really all you got to do is you got to take off your engine cover that I have here, and what you do is this is the new seal that's in here. So I'll point this out. So this new seal just slips right into place. You really don't have to do much to it. You just pop it right into place there. And then you're pretty much good to go. You can see that this seal has a better bump around the inside, and so it can push up against it, really lock that seal into place, and eliminate the air from seeping out. So that'll cause a lot of the problems with cars, especially the Crossfire, where you're not getting a good seal around your mass airflow sensor, and it causes a lot of excess air. The part is a Mercedes-Benz part. The seal number is A1120940018. That's an official Mercedes part number. So if you guys have problems finding that seal, just hunt for that number and you should be able to find it. I had some problems looking for that gasket online, so I got on the Crossfire chat group and everybody sort of directed me in the right direction. So that part number again is A1120940018. And just pop that in, and that'll stop the air from leaking into your Crossfire, and it'll make it run a lot better. So this is my Crossfire here. Been working on it for quite a while. I've had it for about 10 years. Done a lot of wrench work to it, and just trying to get it up and ready for the season. So I'll post some more things that I'm doing to the Crossfire to keep it up and going, and keep everybody in a loop on how to work on these things, because it seems to be the unsupported car. All right, guys, take it easy.